It's called the Germany of the Caribbean, the Tovar colony, an iconic Venezuelan tourist site, and a town whose economy revolves around tourism. The Selva Negra Hotel had welcomed thousands of visitors annually for 80 years, but the coronavirus pandemic shut down all hotel operations completely from March to December last year. Now, they are allowed to operate only every other week and at less than half of their capacity.
El sector turismo fue el último.
The tourism sector was one of the last to be authorized to operate in Venezuela. We are surviving. We are open only to cover operating expenses and basic maintenance.
Para cubrir gastos y para mantener las estructuras.
At Freddy Ruthman's Inn, every room is carefully prepared, and even on a recent holiday in Venezuela, all the cabins were empty. The staff say they will be ready when the reservations start coming in.
Now we are working with all the safety measures like face masks, hand sanitizers and social distancing, only with small groups of people to guarantee safety to our guests.
Tourism in Venezuela fell 71% in 2020, with a devastating effect on the people who make a living in the industry. When the pandemic hit Venezuela back in March 2020, all local and international flights were banned. Now, a year later, just a few routes are open, working with limited frequency. The slowdown in flights means tourist sites are hard to access. Venezuela's Travel Association says thousands of jobs are at risk.
Esto nos ha afectado a todo nivel.
This has affected us at all levels. Many professionals have left to try to find work elsewhere. Many inns and hotels have closed.
Posadas, hoteles.
It has had a trickle-down effect. Wilson Diaz sells cookies and jams to visitors. He says his sales have dropped 80%.
The majority of the people who live here depend on tourism. At hotels, restaurants, tours, we all depend entirely on the people who come to the Tovar colony.
For now, only a few visitors are trickling into Colonia Tovar every other week. People who live here and depend on the tourists are ready to welcome a deluge of visitors just as soon as COVID-19 restrictions ease up. Triny, Mena, CGTN, Colonia Tovar, Venezuela.